Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to perform the subtraction. We have invisible positive sign at the front of these parentheses. That's why I'm going to simply remove the parentheses and keep the same sign. So I have 5 minus j7. And if it comes to the second parenthesis, we're supposed to simply multiply this negative sign by every single sign inside of the parentheses. Negative times negative gives me positive. I have plus 2. Negative times positive gives me negative j5. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms. So I have 5 plus 2, and I have minus j7 minus j5. 5 plus 2 is equal 7, and I have minus 7 minus 5 is equal negative j12. And this is the solution to my problem.